Welcome to English Made Simple. Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, I have a favorite color.
Is your favorite color white?
Yes, my favorite color is white.
What do you like about the color white?
I find it to be a calming and peaceful color.
Do you have clothes in this color?
Yes, I have several pieces of clothing in white.
Is your room painted this color?
No, my room is painted blue.
What do you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I spent most of time relaxing.
Did you go out or stay at home?
I stayed at home.
Who did you spend time with?
I spent time alone.
Do you like the town where you grew up?
Yes, I love the town where I grew up.
Did you eat dinner yesterday?
Yes, I ate dinner yesterday.
Who cooked dinner yesterday at your home?
I cooked dinner at my home for my family.
Was it delicious?
Yes, I can make many types of delicious foods.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job.
How do you travel to work?
I usually walk or bike to work, depending on the weather conditions.
What do you do?
I am a painter.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games, but not regularly.
Do you do anything else?
Yes, I play board games and card games with my friends.
Which is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Varietans.
Which is your favorite character from Forbidden S?
My favorite character is Chandler.
Did the Chandler die?
No, he is alive yet.
Do you like to watch cricket match?
Do you like to watch cricket match?
Did you watch yesterday's final match between India and Australia?
Yes, I watched the final match.
Which was the last movie you watched?
I watched Oppenheimer.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Why did you like it?
I like it because it was an action movie with a lot of heart.
What activities do you enjoy in summer?
I enjoy spending time outdoors in warm weather.
How do you prepare yourself for the season?
I prepare for summer by buying new clothes and sunscreen.
What languages can you speak?
I can speak English and Spanish.
How did you learn Spanish?
I learned Spanish in high school.
What kind of smartphone do you use?
I use iPhone for my personal use.
Thanks for watching.